Did you know that by watching videos, you can earn $61 every 30 minutes? The first step is to play a video. The second step is to watch the video for 60 seconds. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. Today, I'm going to show you the single most effective platform for making money online by watching videos. The website is accessible from anywhere on the planet and is completely free to use. So make sure to watch the video all the way to finish to learn the specific website, steps, and my crucial tips addressed in this lesson. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in Target, Walmart, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, zoombox.com, which looks like this on your screen. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you may earn money online by simply completing the surveys, viewing videos and TV shows, and participating in offers. However, for the purposes of this video, we'll concentrate on viewing video because it's something you already do every day and it provides you with the most money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click the watching television option. Allow me to explain to you how this website functions. First, you'll create a free account on this site. Step 2 is to locate available channels that are of interest to you. After that, you'll begin watching television shows and videos. Finally, you can profit from it, and it's just that easy. You may also keep an eye out for more gains and exchange your points for cash or gift cards from companies like Xbox, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Macy's, and others. Make sure you watch all the way to the end to properly understand how this platform operates. As previously stated, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to their homepage and put in your email address and password to sign up for free. You might also use Facebook or Google to sign up for an easier sign-up experience. You can check how much money you can make on this website once you log into your Zoombox account. You can see that folks have made anything from $150 to $500, and you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money on Zoombox by completing surveys or viewing videos. Every day, there are a large number of videos available to watch, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there is an endless possibility for you to earn money here by watching videos. Now it's time to teach you how to make money online by watching videos at zoombox.com. To get started, go to your account's left-hand menu and select the Watch category. After that, you'll notice two boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you hover your cursor over them, you'll see the offer specifies for these channels. To begin, select Lootably and click Start. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select your video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side of your screen, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. And I'll need you to click the sign up button. Enter your email address and password after that. Then, in order to accept the website's terms and conditions, I need you to click this button. Finally, to complete the process, click Sign Up. You'll be brought to this page after successfully creating a Lootably account. And this is where you can view all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to view as many videos as you want. And if I click this one right now, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. Make sure you watch all the way to the end to properly understand how this platform operates. To give you a tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like at the same time. That way, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos in a short amount of time and effort. You can also watch other videos by clicking all on the other videos on the right side of your screen once you've finished watching one. Another suggestion I have is to lower the video's quality by clicking the video settings icon. To save data, I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible. These tips and tactics are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this platform. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now that you know how to make money on Zoombox.com by watching videos, I'd like to show you another way to make money, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your Zoombox dashboard, you should see Surveys category, which you should click. By selecting that option, you will be presented with a list of companies that offer simple survey solutions. Each survey will pay you $0.85, $0.60, $10, $3, and $5 or much more, as shown here. Simply click on the firm that offers you the most money to begin answering surveys. After then, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with a company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like to make $61 or more per 30 minutes as soon as possible using Zoombox.com. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel. Like this video and comment the code word popcorn and surveys, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.